Imagine if someone told you back in 2021 that you could hold a token built into Telegram itself, used for messaging, payments, and mini apps. Back then, Toncoin was trading for just a few cents. If you had picked up 500 ton early, you'd already be sitting on a 20x return or more. That's the kind of upside early crypto investors live for. In this video, we're analyzing exactly how much 500 ton might be worth by 2026. But before we continue with the video, I just want to say, if you're looking for a solid exchange to trade crypto, I personally use WEEX. It's reliable, has deep liquidity, super low fees, and a massive selection of coins. Right now, you can claim up to $30,000 in sign-up bonuses and trade with up to 400x leverage. Best part? No KYC required. Use the link in the description to sign up and claim your bonus today. Toncoin has become one of the most talked about altcoins in the space. Not because of hype, but because it's actively being used by millions. With over 900 million users on Telegram and a growing suite of ton integrated tools, Toncoin is carving out a utility niche very few projects can match. Toncoin is the native token of the Open Network, Ton, a Layer 1 blockchain originally developed by the Telegram team. While regulatory pressure forced Telegram to hand over the project to the Ton Foundation, they've never really stepped away. Ton is still deeply integrated into Telegram, and that's its biggest strength. The network offers lightning-fast transactions, decentralized file storage, domain services like Ton DNS, and native payments via Ton Wallet and Ton Space. This isn't theoretical adoption. Ton is already powering in-chat transactions, tipping bots, and micro apps within Telegram. That puts it miles ahead of most Layer 1s still waiting on real users. As of June 2025, Ton trades at around $3.02, with a total market cap of approximately $7.5 billion and 2.5 billion tokens in circulation. The token has seen increased utility thanks to native USDT support on the network, making stablecoin transfers inside Telegram seamless. That alone has driven both retail and remittance-based volume. This year has been big for development. In Q1 2025, the Ton Foundation rolled out the 2025.04 upgrade, expanding validator rewards and optimizing smart contract gas costs. Ton DNS received a front-end revamp, making it easier for users to assign readable names to wallet addresses. Plus, Ton storage is being adopted by NFT platforms and dApps needing decentralized hosting. Telegram itself is also experimenting with ad revenue payouts via Ton, allowing content creators and channel owners to get paid in Ton directly in the app. Combine that with microtransactions, tipping bots, and games powered by Ton, and you're looking at a circular economy building inside a social platform with near billion user reach. One of the more overlooked pieces of the Ton ecosystem is its growing developer activity. According to GitHub data, Ton development activity has more than tripled since early 2024, with a surge of open-source contributions across smart contracts, user tools, and core infrastructure. Several developer hackathons hosted by the Ton Foundation in Singapore and Lisbon have yielded promising projects, including decentralized Telegram-based marketplaces, identity protocols, and gaming apps. Ton has also been expanding partnerships quietly but steadily. In early 2025, it partnered with a Southeast Asian fintech startup to power cross-border payments using Telegram mini apps. This opens a path for T1 to be used in real commerce, not just speculation, with local currency conversion powered by stablecoins and backed by Ton liquidity pools. Another key feature gaining attention is Ton Proxy. It offers a way to route internet traffic privately through the Ton network, similar to Tor but built directly into the ecosystem. Combined with Ton sites and decentralized hosting, this positions Ton as a privacy-focused alternative for Web3 browsing, especially important as censorship and internet regulation become more prominent issues worldwide. In terms of tokenomics, Ton uses a dynamic inflation model where new tokens are minted to reward validators. However, the Foundation has introduced token burning mechanisms through transaction fees and service payments, which offsets inflation. As on-chain activity increases, so does the deflationary pressure, helping maintain long-term value for holders. When it comes to performance, Ton's price action shows strong signs of accumulation. After bouncing between $2.85 and $3.10 throughout May, it recently pushed above $3.25 and held, suggesting bullish continuation. Technical indicators like RSI remain in neutral territory, giving room for further upward movement without triggering overbought conditions. Let's break it down with realistic projections based on current price, market cap, and expected growth. Right now, TON is priced at about $3.02, with a market cap of roughly $7.5 billion. With 2.5 billion tokens in circulation, that gives it plenty of room to grow, especially given its connection to Telegram's 900 plus million users. If the market sees moderate growth and Telegram continues rolling out ton-based monetization tools, we could see ton hitting the $5.06 range by 2026. That would bring the market cap closer to $12, $15 billion, still well below the likes of Solana or Cardano. In a more bullish scenario, with mass adoption of Telegram-based apps, expanded DeFi integration, and strong token utility, ton could trade between $8.10 by 2026. That would imply a $20.25 billion market cap, which is plausible given its growing real-world use. So if Toncoin continues on its current trajectory, those holding 500 tokens today could see meaningful returns. With moderate market expansion and increasing adoption, that holding could grow steadily in value. And if the bullish scenario plays out, with massive in-app integration and global user adoption, the upside becomes significantly more substantial. What could drive these numbers higher? Wider Telegram monetization of bots, ads, and creator tools could rapidly increase ton usage. Greater institutional interest may also come through programmable Telegram mini-apps and bot ecosystems. As more DeFi platforms, games, and marketplaces are built on ton, the network's total value locked could rise sharply. And finally, broader exchange listings would open access to new liquidity and retail investors worldwide. But let's be real, there are still risks. TON's reliance on Telegram means any shift in the app's direction could affect token utility. There's also competition from Solana, Near, and other fast Layer 1s. And if regulations clamp down on in-app payments or custodial bots, that could slow adoption. Still, Toncoin's unique advantage is user access. Most projects struggle to onboard. TON is already embedded in an app people open every day. That built-in user base, paired with expanding utility, makes it one of the strongest sleeper picks going into 2026. If you're holding 500 ton today, worth about $1,500, that could grow into $2,500 under steady growth, or even hit $5,000 plus if momentum accelerates. So here's the question. Are you just watching from the sidelines, or are you positioning early? Drop your 2026 prediction for ton in the comments. $4? $6? $10. And if you want more deep dives like this, hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.